Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a ton of fun patio decorating, some DIYs, some flower planting, and also this company called Abba Patio sent to me this umbrella and umbrella stand, and I thought it would be a perfect video to do a patio video. So you guys, I am actually at my mom's house. When I did this video, I thought that her patio could use a little makeover. It's now the beginning of spring and summer in Michigan. It's actually nice. There's no snow. There has been some rain, so this has taken a little while to do, but I was over the top excited about how cute everything turned out when it was all done. So this is my mom's house, like I said, and this is like her deck. I like to call it a patio, so forgive me, but that's just what I like calling it. But I'm just wiping everything down first, and then this is the patio umbrella and stand that they sent me. The umbrella is 7.5 feet, and it has a push still and crank lift, and it is the color beige. It is so pretty, and it is such a good quality umbrella. The stand was super easy to put together. They gave step-by-step instructions, and then underneath this little thing you can fill this up with water to hold it down even more. I didn't add water because I know that I wouldn't be able to lift it, my mom wouldn't be able to lift it, so we just left it as is, and it still works just as nice. And then this is the umbrella. I love this color. They had many different colors to choose from, I think like blue and stripes and things like that, but I thought this was just more realistic, and it looked really nice, and it came in 2 pieces, so you just had to attach the little bottom part to the top part, and then that was it. Like that's how simple it was, you guys. I love this. Like I said, the quality of this is super nice. I was very, very impressed. So if you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys be able to check out this company as well.
Close eyes till the sun come down. I keep on waiting, waiting. You must have lost my number, answer me now.
And this is how easy it is. There is a up and down crank, so it shows you which way to go. And then also at the top, there is this button that you just press and it tilts your umbrella for you. I thought that was a really cool feature in this umbrella. And this is what it looks like when it is all set up. And my mom absolutely loved this. I was really, really happy that she liked it. And I think it looks great out here.
I'm just waiting, waiting, waiting.
Alright you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and let me know what your favorite pot was that I made. Like I said, these are really easy. I literally just painted terracotta pots and threw some sayings on them, or threw some twine or rope or whatever. They were the simplest DIYs I have ever made, but I love the way they turned out. I love the flowers. I love everything. But yeah, that's it. And make sure you go check out Abba Patio. Like I said, links in the description box below so you'll be able to check those guys out. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.